Happy Labor Day. I've labored a lot, so this is my day. I have a very special guest today. Okay, so this is Mr. Bandt. I think this is going to be fun. Darren has,
Let's see.
You used to help at the studio. You always cut all my wood. You cut my wood for today. But you've never actually been on a live crafting, right?
Long time watcher.
I hope so.
First time liver.
And you're going to be chalking today. I didn't tell you that.
Oh, no.
He has never done it before. So this will be fun. We're going to make some blocks today. And, yeah, they're fall. Then they do have their Christmas words out, too. We don't have that one yet. I want to order it, though. Can I order it?
Yes.
And this is the stencil. There's a lot of words. You can see all
the words: thankful, gather, grateful, pumpkin, gobble, bless, fall, harvest, autumn, y'all, leaves, football, patch, turkey, camping, spice, bonfire, pie, family, Thanksgiving.
And behind the Magnolia Design Co. is, I believe, Happy. I hope so.
One?
It's a hidden one. So we got to cut this up. I'm not doing a very good job cutting these, guys. I probably should let Mr. Bandt do it.
Well, I was just going to say, I'm glad I'm not doing it.
This is going to be your very first chalk.
Oh,
thing.
It's the little one.
Yeah. So we're going to use fall. I think are we using harvest? I don't know. No. Autumn leaves. We're going to use autumn leaves. Okay, so we're going to set these back there. Okay. So we have pumpkin spice. We're going to do that. We're going to do autumn leaves. We're going to do happy fall, y'all, and we're going to do pie. Good. But before we get started with the project, I want to talk a little bit about the wood. This is dimensional lumber. You could use this. This is a 4-inch board, I think. Yeah. But what I actually prefer to use for any of my chalking stuff and just making things is this guy here. This is a 4-foot piece from Menards. You can buy it in bigger pieces, but it's select pine. You don't have any of the ridges. It's planed very nicely. You're gonna end up getting a lot of grain race with this wood, with the dimensional lumber. You don't get that with the select pine. It makes a really nice surface to chalk on. So I think these were like what, like $3 something?
It was $3.50 for that.
But then he just cut it to size for me. Cut me the little blocks. We'll just throw it on the bed.
Good night, Ford.
Blocks. Here's the blocks we're gonna use. I think we're gonna do pumpkin spice on these. And then I've got white ones too. And these are, I painted these with Bungalow 47, and then I sprayed them yesterday with some of this. Now we could have waxed, but I wanted to use the spray because I thought it would be a little easier. Plus I thought, this is really mean, but I thought if you messed up, it might actually be easier to wipe it off and start over.
No, it's calling be prepared.
Yeah, we're prepared. So we're gonna start with this one because this is the little guy. And we need to write on the back of this, we'll just put pie.
So you need to know where the back is.
Because if you stick it to the wrong side, it can like damage your stencil. So you're just going to...
I'm gonna fuzz it.
And then peel it up slowly. Okay. And then maybe do it one more time.
It's still pretty sticky.
It is sticky. So now you want to try to center that guy up on there.
Now try to center the
as
word,
much as you can. As much as you can, yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good, I think.
Sure.
That's good. There's so much in that
Yeah, sure, you can do that. It's a little high. Okay.
Oh, now it's crooked.
Now, yeah, that's okay.
Pie is not perfect.
Yeah, pie doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna use black. We're gonna use black paste, and I already did. Let me just stir it up again. So you get some paste on, and then you scrape it through.
Okay. So just a little bit.
Just a little bit. You don't need much, and then you scrape down, squeegee down. Yep, just like that. Okay, so you can just lay that in there because we can use that again. Right. Okay, so now you want to go like straight down.
And just see how it's going.
Yeah, try not to get your thumb in it.
She's in full instructor mode, guys.
Yep, there. Just keep peeling, slow. Oh, it looks nice. Pie.
Pie.
Pie. And then we're gonna just put this over in the water.
Goes in the water.
Look at that. Hold it up to the camera.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that.
See, I gotta get this camera thing figured out.
Look at that.
There we go.
So I've got a tin of water over there. Pie. Okay, now I want you to tell me, what do you think about this?
Super easy.
Is it satisfying?
Yeah, I wish I could eat it now.
Yeah, no. Let me see. I'm gonna do autumn. Or no, I'll do the smaller
Now we keep the backing for later.
Yes. Oh, and we have to write
do
back.
not throw that away.
Oh,
yeah, we don't throw that away.
You can do one.
Okay, I'll do one. I'm gonna do the y'all. I'm gonna write y'all on there. You're gonna do your thing.
I
You can do both of them. Oh, that's smart. Why don't I like follow your lead here? Dude, you know what? Y'all's gonna go on a bigger one though, I think. So here, let me do that because I'm confusing myself. You're doing great, and I'm like not doing good. So we're just fuzzing twice. Give it a little fuzz. Load it up.
More fuzz, less stick.
And then these would be cute if they were sanded, like on the edges. I kind of like them clean because that's the RAE DUNN way, kind of. Woohoo!
Look at that.
The S has a little tail on it, but it looks pretty
It's
good.
a little spicy. Yeah,
Further down
just
there.
be careful not to get your finger in it.
Yes.
Okay.
No
Oops,
fingers.
Sorry.
Finger free.
We're getting grabby now.
I don't want to.
We're getting grabby in the bedroom. Oh, see, that
Yeah,
looks
that
so
looks
cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
so cute. You
But
want to
the
do mine?
pumpkin goes before the spice.
Okay, you want to do the y'all?
I'll do the y'all, yeah. We have to go
The
to
hair.
so
What?
many of the dollar places, the Dollar Trees, though, because one place will have something, another place won't.
Yep. You don't mind it though, do you?
Nope.
I love that about you. Okay, so let's put some of these together. So this is what I was thinking. We would do happy fall, y'all, like that. Or you could do it, you know, like that. Or you could do happy autumn.
Sure.
But see that, I thought this was really cute, but I thought this would be even cuter. See? Have two color. Isn't that cute? I love it. I love it, love it, love it.
Yeah, all the colors go.
Yeah, and you could do other colors too. They turned out very nice. Very crisp, very clean. So anyways, that's it. That's it-o. Let's see, let's go back here. So what'd you guys think?
Are we done?
We're done, that's it. You did a great job. That was so
Thanks.
much
I had
fun.
a good teacher.
Oh, you're so sweet. Love it. Great job, Mr. Bandt.
Thank
See, he did a great job. But see the stencils, not to undermine your
Right.
ability, but they're great. You can get the kids involved, guys. Get your spouses involved and make some stuff because those are memories. You know, even no matter how the stuff turns out, making the memories are important. So we made one today, right? Yeah. Thank you for doing this with me. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.